We're about to have breakfast at Isanela restaurant right here poolside. And then we're going to spend a half day at the pool because we have some other things we need to get done today. And then tomorrow we head back home. So we're going to enjoy today and let you see how much fun the pool is. See you later. Day 2 at the pool. My husband has corrected me. We're not spending a half day at the pool today. We're spending another whole day at the pool. He humored me with Adventure Day on that first day. And then now I'm going to indulge him in 2 full days of pool time. So enjoy us, y'all. This is not what this bridge is made for, but somebody decides he wants to do pull-ups. Lord help us. Pull-ups at the swimming pool, under the bridge. All right, like my big sister said, it's always 5 o'clock somewhere. It's only like 11 o'clock here, but it's okay. This is a something. I can never understand what they're saying, but it's got passion fruit and something else, and it's yummy. You guys, as they say in Costa Rica, that means it's all good. Pure life, good life, hang loose. They say pura vida for everything. So, hey you guys, pura vida. Fam, this is a new part of travel, our first time experiencing this as part of our travel adventures. We are on our way to get our COVID test to enter back into the United States. We depart Costa Rica tomorrow. We are going to get a rapid PCR test, and it's going to come back negative so that we can enter back into our home country. We've never had to do this before with travel, but again, you know, this is our first time out of the country since the COVID epidemics, or pandemic, swept the globe. So we are going. We just want to let you know that it's okay. It's all good. And this is just another part of it. FYI, there's a charge, a cost to take a COVID test at this particular facility that is connected and on site with our resort. It's $150 per person, so that's an expense you need to plan for, an additional expense for your travel, but it's well worth it. And I told Michael before we left the room, I said if there was ever a time to think negative, now it's it.
and just in case you decide that you don't want to take it here on site and you get to the airport, you're going to have to do it at the airport, and they do have a facility, but be prepared to spend at least $250. So it was worth having it done here. Now this is the Miami Vice right here.
This is our pre-COVID test libation.
Getting ready for the COVID test, right? Yeah.
We're studying really hard right now.